Dear friends, I am about to share a heartbreaking news with you, and in advance, I am sorry. This is going to be the last video you will be seeing on FNI SBC channel, as I'll be moving on to a new path that I'll be sharing at the end of this video. In 2020, during COVID, I nursed the idea of sharing my knowledge about smartphone productivity and profitability with people around the world using videos via YouTube. And it's been almost 4 years now, and these are all we have achieved. From 9.5 thousand subscribers to over 500,000 views to reaching over 20 countries across the world. And this is me saying thank you for always coming back to watch a new video on my channel. And to those of you that takes it upon themselves to share this video with their friends and family, I deeply appreciate. 2 years ago, I wedded the love of my life, a young lady who is also into tech. We started growing a new family and also building our business of educating people about the need to embrace productive use of their smart devices. We've introduced new products that is now requiring my 100% focus and attention, which leads me to having to shut down FNI SBC channel. And now for the new path that I will be taking to enable me incorporate my family and my business, I will be introducing my dear wife into the channel, where I will be switching things up on the channel to as well accommodate her. So henceforth, you're not going to be seeing me alone on the videos, but me with her. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Bettina.
Hello everyone, my name is Bettina. I'm a child tech teacher with over 9 years of experience working with children, basically training them on tech skills. And I'm going to be joining Frederick here to share my tech knowledge with you all.
The channel is not changing its purpose. We are still going to be making videos about smartphone productivity and profitability, which includes
tech tutorials, app and AI reviews,
and as well online business tips. And most importantly, we are going to be making a massive change of the channel name from FNI SBC to Couple Talk Tech. Are you excited already?
We are too.
See you
on the next video.